There are currently 50 languages that are available in this tiny little device. It's like magic and superpowers in your pocket when you travel. Have you ever been in a foreign country and you just want to find the best restaurant in the neighborhood, but you don't know how to communicate with anybody on the street? This was me in Rome like 6 years ago when I was trying to look for the best pasta restaurant on the street, and I kept saying pasta, pasta. And now there's something in your pocket that can facilitate that. This is the iFlytek Pocket Translator. And I'm sorry to tell you, it's not available in any market but in China, but they are here at CES to test out the market and see if there is an interest in it. So the way it works is you press down, there are two buttons here. You press down either the ABC for English or 中文, which is for Chinese. There are currently 50 languages that are available in this tiny little device. It's like magic and superpowers in your pocket when you travel. I would personally use this to communicate with my mother. This is what I would say to her. Mom, I'm not having kids anytime soon. I need a boyfriend first.
妈妈，我很快就不会有孩子了，我要先交个男朋友。
Right? I think it would very much facilitate this mother-daughter relationship. It will heal all relationships in the world by translating what you really want to say. Now, if this translator was really to say what I wanted to say, would be, Mom, take a chill pill. So what do you guys think? Should iFlytek Translator come to the US market or any other market? I definitely see a use for it. There are a couple other products on the market. I haven't seen one as sophisticated as this one because it's not like a direct Google Translate. The translations actually make sense and it's not fragmented sentences, and it gets the nuances of what you're trying to say. So I'm quite impressed with this, and I can't wait to see where this product goes. I'm feeling quite happy today.
我今天感觉很开心。
I'm pretty impressed with this powerful device, but there are a few obstacles they have to get over. One is it's not available in any other market but China. But second, their price point is at $400 US, which makes it quite difficult for anybody who just wants to casually travel and use it as their translator. But they have come up with this idea, which I think is a great strategy, is renting it out at airports. So let's say you land at Shanghai Pudong Airport. You can rent one of these for a week for a fraction of the cost and also make your trip much more smooth.